Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Thris if you are new, and welcome back if you are a returning Stitchie. Happy to have you. So I have a real quick video here. I'm gonna keep adjusting, you guys. Hold on to your hats, buckle your belts. I wanted to do a subscriber appreciation sort of giveaway. I'm kind of doing these, one, because I want to, but also until I get my monetization party going, which I just haven't had the energy for to get it all organized and everything. So this is like an Afghan kit giveaway. Well, not Afghan in the sense that it all came together in the little zipper pack from the store, but in the sense that I had a pattern, I bought all the stuff for said pattern, and I'm going to put all that together, if that, okay, anyway, you get it. Because you can't work through all of it, you know. If you are new, ever since I started going through cancer treatment, I kind of have reevaluated a lot of different things, and one of them is, you know, kind of that like facing reality of we don't have an eternity here. And I have this huge stash of yarn. If I crocheted all day, every day, I wouldn't be able to work through all of this yarn. I wouldn't be able to work through half of this yarn. So I wanted to start passing it on to everyone else. And so I've been like digging deep and passing a lot of stuff on. And it's not like it's stuff I don't like. It's all stuff I like. Otherwise I wouldn't have it. But I would like to see you guys use it. And you guys, you know, be happy with it. And see pictures of what you come up with using, you know, my yarn and everything like that. So kind of like, if I don't see myself in the next year or two being so excited to get my hook into it that I just like can't wait. I think about it all the time. I'm passing it on. I don't know. So that's kind of where my head has been at. That's helped me decide what makes the cut and what doesn't. So I have this one, and then I have another one I'm going to do as soon as I draw the winner for this one. So I'm going to show you the picture. It's this. It's so cute, and I'm honestly a little sad I'm not gonna see it made. But whoever gets it, if you could send me a picture of it made, that would be so cool. I would love that. So okay, I'm just gonna get into it, and then I have what I think is Happy Mail. I don't know. I did a video a couple of days ago. I haven't released it yet, where I thought I had somebody bought something off my Amazon wish list, and it was a mower blade that Andrew had ordered and sent that I somehow just didn't see the tracking on. I felt so silly. Okay, so the yarn that is made of is Hometown USA. I actually made this blanket, this exact one, with the exact colors and everything. I still have it. So this is Hometown USA, and 5 ounces, 142 grams, 100% acrylic of a super bulky 6, 81 yards. Sorry, the ball's kind of messy. This is Los Angeles Tan. This one is Houston Cream. This one is Madison Mustard. The same thing. Then we have this big boy of Lion Brand Thick and Quick. So you'll have more gray than what you need. It's 12 ounces, 340 grams, 223 yards of a bulky 6, 100% acrylic. And this is in Oxford Gray. And then this is in Charcoal. Oh, this is the Wool Ease Thick and Quick. This is in Charcoal. Oh, you have two of those. You have a bunch of all these little ones. I'm not showing all of them. I'm just showing you the different colors that you have. And then there is a tweedy one. Here it is. Aspen tweed. So, I didn't show that very well. Okay, so you have everything plus some that you need to make that blanket. And let me see something real quick. Oh goodness, I can't read this. Okay, never mind. So there's that. I hope that's okay. I know it's just Hometown USA. It's not anything fancy or anything, but it's the whole thing. I will also send you the pattern. I'm pretty sure the pattern is free anyway on lionbrand.com, but yeah, I will send you that. And then let's see what this is. Aww, cool. Guys, look. It's a 3-ring binder. Oh my gosh, I love that. That's so pretty. It's rainbow and then it is like paint splatter kind of. Oh, hi, Miss Kitty. We have Miss Trixie right there. Who's purring? Who's a happy girl? Excuse all the schmutz all over me. I've been cleaning. Don't fall. Who is this from? I love anything with rainbows, so this caught my eye. Enjoy from Brenda Iserman, a new Stitchie. Brenda, bless your heart. Thank you. And I keep these. They go over here. I have a whole bundle of cards. And what I'm actually going to do, eventually, there's a set that I have on my wish list. It's like a galaxy thing that at some point I'm going to get when I have more letters and stuff. And I'm going to put them in a binder so that I can keep all, because I keep all the letters you guys send me, all the little gift receipt things from Amazon. I love this so much. And your girl needs organizing. So this is going to come in handy. For all my little dye potions. That's what we call them, potions. For all my little dye concoctions that I come up with, and writing orders down as they come along, writing down dye ideas. Right now I just text them to myself, but that takes up storage on your phone, so I could start putting them on loose leaf paper, and I can braille them. That way I can actually read them easily and put them in here. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it. That is gorgeous. That is so much prettier in real life. I love rainbows. Brenda, bless your heart. Thank you so much. I love it and I really appreciate it. That is so awesome. Okay, so I'm so excited. There's like 100 different things I want to put in there. Okay, so if you want to enter in for the Afghan kit, blanket, BLANKET. Just put in blanket. It's not like a secret giveaway or anything like that. I mean, ideally, don't just write the word blanket. Write something. Yeah, and then I'll try to remember to draw the winner in a week. And then as soon as I do this one, I have another blanket kit that I'm going to do a giveaway for as well. And then eventually I'm gonna do what Nicole's been doing with her monetization. Instead of her doing one big night She did a series of lives and broke up all her prizes evenly amongst all of those lives. And I think I'm going to do it that way as well. That way I don't exhaust myself. And yeah, I think I'm going to do it that way. And I won't take up my normal live time. It's going to be a special, special one. So I'm going to get that going in June for sure. I know I keep saying I'm going to get the monetization going, but I'm for sure going to get it going. So yeah. Tonight, this video is about to be uploaded, so it is Saturday, May 20-somethingth. But every Saturday, my friend Dee from Dee's Creative Hands goes live at 6 p.m. I will put her channel in the description box where you can go check her out, and I almost always share a community post like within the hour before she goes live, but we have a lot of fun over there. So I encourage you to go check her out. If you would like a positive person, Nicole as well, I will leave her information below. She got me this. She makes resin stuff. Ooh. I have this jar. Right now I just keep changing it, but I have this jar. I have another one in this colorway right here. Blues, purples, grays, because other than rainbow, it's like my favorite. But it's not up here. I'm not sure where it went. I have a bunch of resin stuff from her, but she makes resin. And anyway, so I love you guys. I'm going to upload this, and I will see you at Dee's, or I will see you next time on my live. So much love to you. Stay safe, stay weird, and don't make permanent decisions off temporary feelings, because it'll sneak up and get you. Love you guys.